Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook advertisement currency from your personal Facebook account and the mobile version. So all you need to do is click on these three horizontal lines here on the top right hand corner. Then when that pops up, you scroll to the bottom and find settings. Then you click on the payments options here. So when that comes up, you can see this tab over here. It says account settings. So when you click on that also, it's going to display to you a list of information. Then when you scroll to the bottom, you would see the option for changing your add currency. Alright, so in my own case here, it's still loading. Okay, fine, so it has loaded. So here it is here, over here. So you see this drop down here to change the current currency. It is actually in US dollars, like you can see over here. It's tagged currency. So when you click on this drop down, actually it shows you a list of options you can choose from. So once you click on this drop down, you scroll down to the options you're looking for. In my case, it's the Nigerian naira. So you can see as I'm clicking on, several options are coming out. So scroll down to the Nigerian naira and then you save changes. I hope this was helpful.